Difference between JavaScript and Node.js. JavaScript is a programming language, while Node.js is a runtime environment that executes JavaScript outside the browser. JavaScript provides syntax, variables, functions, objects, and other language features. Node.js provides the environment APIs and engine needed to run JavaScript on a server or a local machine. For example, browser JavaScript can access Windows and DOM, whereas Node.js can access file system, create server, and interact with operating system using modules like FS and HTTP. For interview-level answer, JavaScript is a programming language used to write application logic, whereas Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to run outside the browser. JavaScript does not provide server capabilities, but Node.js adds APIs for file handling, networking, and server creation. In short, JavaScript is a language, and Node.js is one environment where that language can run. If Node.js runs JavaScript, what exactly is the V8 engine? V8 is a Google's open source JavaScript engine, originally developed for the Chrome browser. Its job is to read JavaScript code and convert it into machine code that the computer can execute directly. Node.js uses the V8 engine to execute JavaScript outside the browser, while V8 handles the execution of JavaScript code. Node.js provides additional APIs for things like file system, networking, and operating system interaction. What V8 does: reads JavaScript code, compiles it into machine code using just-in-time compilation, executes the machine code efficiently, handles memory management through garbage collection. If V8 executes JavaScript, then how does Node.js perform asynchronous operations like reading files without blocking the main thread? V8 executes JavaScript on a single main thread. When Node.js encounters an asynchronous operation such as reading a file or making a network request, it delegates the task to Libov, which is a C library used by Node.js. Libov handles the operation using the operation system or its thread pool. Meanwhile, the main JavaScript thread remains free to execute other code. Once the operation completes, Libov places the callback into a queue and the event loop eventually pushes it onto the stack. Can you explain the event loop and the difference between callback queue and the microtask queue? The event loop is responsible for coordinating asynchronous execution in JavaScript. When the call stack becomes empty, the event loop first processes all tasks in a microtask queue, such as promise callback, and only then process tasks from the callback queue, such as set timeout callback. This is why promise callback execute before set timeout callback even when timeout is set to the 0 millisecond.